I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with two essentials: a charge tracker and an iPhone with Bluetooth on. Open Settings and enable Bluetooth, then make sure location services are allowed for the tracker app. This helps discovery. Once done, install the official tracker app from the App Store and sign in so data syncs to your account. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions. Keep the devices within 1 to 2 feet while you move to the active pairing stage. You'll now start pairing inside the app. Open it and select Add Device or Pair New Tracker. The app lists models. Pick yours and grant requested permissions like notifications and health access so readings sync correctly. Make sure your phone stays unlocked. Some trackers show a code or vibrate to confirm. Once you see the code or feel the buzz, accept it in the app. This step links the two devices and configures basic settings such as units and goals. So don't finish by completing the app setup. Allow Apple Health syncing if you want consolidated metrics, choose units, and set daily goals. Then test the connection, start a quick walk, or refresh the app to see live steps appear. If pairing fails, don't panic. Restart your iPhone and the tracker, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing. Make sure the tracker isn't connected to another device. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app as a last resort before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.